Today we take the journey to understand how the dance between surrendering and cosmic alignment can bring your dreams to life. Let's embark on this enlightening path together. Let's dive into the intricate dance of letting go to begin our voyage. At its essence, letting go releases control and allows the universe's currents to guide us. Think of it as floating downstream instead of fighting against the river's flow. Aligning with universal flow. The universe operates in a harmonious rhythm, and our task is to attune ourselves to this flow. This concept resonates deeply with the teachings of ancient wisdom traditions and modern spiritual thinkers alike. When we resist, we create barriers. But when we let go and align with the universe's rhythm, we unlock the doors to our desires. The blossoming career. I spent years pushing and struggling to make my career dreams come true. It wasn't until I discovered the power of letting go that my path transformed. By surrendering control and trusting the universe's timing, opportunities unfolded effortlessly. I found myself in a fulfilling role that perfectly matched my aspirations. Embracing the flow state. Imagine being in a flow state, where your actions seem to unfold effortlessly, like a river flowing downstream. Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi's research tells us that when we immerse ourselves in an activity we love, we align with the universe's flow, and the doors to manifestation swing open. The joy of creativity. Creativity has always been my passion. When I embraced the flow state by letting go of expectations and judgments, my creative expressions flourished. Ideas flowed naturally, and I created art that resonated deeply with others. This experience reaffirmed that when we let go, the universe guides our every brushstroke. Surrendering for manifestation. Surrendering isn't giving up. It's allowing the universe to work its magic. Spiritual teacher Eckhart Tolle reminds us that by surrendering to the present moment, we transcend the confines of the ego and tap into a higher consciousness. Love's serendipitous arrival. Letting go was pivotal in my romantic journey. After years of seeking love, I surrendered my desperation and embraced self-love. It was then that I met someone who mirrored my newfound self-worth. Surrendering control allowed a love story to unfold that was beyond my wildest dreams. Releasing attachments. Attachments can be anchors, holding us back from the universe's flow. Buddhist philosophy teaches us about the impermanence of all things. By releasing our tight grip on outcomes, we free ourselves to receive unexpected blessings. Letting go of materialism. My obsession with material possessions left me feeling empty. Learning to let go of my attachment to belongings was transformative. As I simplified my life, I felt lighter and more connected to the universe's abundant flow. And oddly enough, opportunities to acquire what truly mattered effortlessly presented themselves. Gratitude, the ultimate alignment tool. Gratitude is a magnetic force that draws us closer to the universe's flow. When we're thankful for what we have, we open ourselves to receive more. The gratitude ripple effect. A daily gratitude practice shifted my perspective entirely. As I acknowledged the blessings in my life, I felt more attuned to the universe's rhythm. Surprisingly, new doors opened, relationships deepened, and my life became an orchestra of synchronicities. As we conclude our exploration of the art of letting go and harnessing the universe's flow to manifest your desires, let's reflect on the wisdom we've uncovered. Letting go is a dance with the universe, a dance of surrender, trust, and alignment. By releasing our grip on control, we open ourselves to the universe's benevolent guidance. Remember, manifestation is about partnership, not force. Thank you for joining us today, and may you continue to let go, embrace the flow, and witness the magical transformation of your desires into reality.